We often support our members when they are leaving their employment, particularly when they're being asked by their employer to enter into a settlement agreement. A settlement agreement is a legally binding document which brings a member's employment with their employer to an end. By signing into the settlement agreement, members are also agreeing to waive any potential claims which they may have against their employer. This is usually in exchange for compensation of some sort. Prior to a member reviewing the draft terms of the agreement, ASCL's lawyers carry out a comprehensive review of the terms of the agreement. It's also a legal requirement for an employee to receive legal advice about the content of an agreement before they sign into one. Once the terms have been agreed, members will meet with one of our regional or field officers to go through what is being agreed. This is to ensure that they fully understand the terms of the agreement and their own obligations which arise as a result. Throughout the entire process, ASCL's lawyers work closely with the regional and field officers and provide support to the officers and members where required. Yes, this is a service open to all our members within the scope of their membership. Employers should provide their employees with full written contracts, preferably in advance of their start date. This allows members to take advantage of ASCL's contract checking service, through which one of our experienced solicitors will review the contract and provide the members with feedback. It's important that the employment contracts are reviewed at the earliest opportunity available. If a member commences employment and is working to the terms of a contract, even without having signed the contract, this may inadvertently mean an assumed acceptance of those terms. Furthermore, it is becoming increasingly common for employers to deviate away from the standard terms and conditions for teachers. Therefore, members may notice that the new terms may be less favourable than their previous contractual terms. Having the contract checked will provide clarity as to the terms of the contract, help avoid any potential future confusion or dispute between a member and their employer, and may also assist with any negotiations to help achieve more favourable terms before that member's employment commences. If the member has already been supported by a regional field officer, members should approach them in the first instance. If members do not have the support of an officer, they are urged to contact ASCL's hotline and the settlement or contract check will be referred on in the right direction.